The Amazon's KDP platform offers authors an accessible way to self-publish and sell their books globally. In this video, I'll show you the most lucrative niches and how to profit from them. With the ability to reach millions of potential readers, KDP has become a popular avenue for writers, entrepreneurs, and content creators looking to generate passive income. Unlike traditional publishing, which often involves complex contracts, upfront costs, and lengthy approval processes, KDP allows individuals to publish their books quickly and at no cost. Amazon handles production, distribution, and customer service, enabling authors to focus entirely on creating content and marketing their books. While the prospect of publishing a book and earning royalties may seem simple, success on KDP requires more than just uploading a manuscript. To generate consistent sales and maximize earnings, authors must carefully choose a niche that aligns with both their expertise and market demand. The right niche can make the difference between a book that fades into obscurity and one that consistently attracts buyers and generates revenue. The importance of selecting the right niche. Choosing a profitable niche is the foundation of success in self-publishing. A well-chosen niche ensures that an author's book appeals to a targeted audience, reducing competition and increasing the likelihood of sales. KDP offers opportunities across various categories, ranging from fiction and nonfiction to low-content books like journals and workbooks. However, not all niches are equally lucrative. Some are oversaturated, making it difficult for new authors to gain traction, while others may have little demand, resulting in minimal sales. A successful niche balances demand and competition. If a topic has a strong audience but relatively few high-quality books available, it presents a prime opportunity. Conversely, if a category is dominated by well-established authors and thousands of competing titles, breaking into that market can be challenging. Authors who strategically identify gaps in the market and refine their book ideas accordingly increase their chances of success. Researching demand and competition. To determine whether a niche is viable, authors must conduct thorough market research. A good starting point is analyzing the supply and demand of books in a specific category. Demand is best measured by evaluating the sales performance of similar books. One effective way to gauge demand is by using the DS Amazon Quick View Chrome extension, which provides insights into a book's bestseller ranking. A book with a BSR under 350,000 generally indicates that it is selling reasonably well. If multiple books in a given niche have BSRs within this range, it signals strong demand. Assessing competition is equally important. A niche with thousands of competing books may be too difficult to enter, particularly for new authors. A simple search on Amazon using relevant keywords will reveal how many books are already published in that category. If a niche appears oversaturated, refining the topic by adding specificity can help. For example, instead of targeting coloring books, an author might niche down to fruits and veggies coloring books for kids ages 5 through 10. This narrower focus reduces competition while still maintaining demand. Here are the most profitable niches in Amazon KDP. Several niches consistently perform well on KDP, providing opportunities for authors to generate steady income. Some of the most profitable niches include low-content books. This category includes journals, planners, logbooks, and workbooks. These books require minimal written content, but rely on good design and formatting. Many buyers seek specialized planners for fitness tracking, budgeting, meal planning, or business organization, making this a lucrative niche. Next, self-help and personal development. These are books that provide guidance on self-improvement, productivity, mental health, and personal growth that remain in high demand. Readers are continuously looking for strategies to enhance their lives, and well-researched, practical books in this category tend to sell consistently. Next, children's and young adult fiction. Stories for younger audiences have a strong market, especially in categories like fantasy, adventure, and educational fiction. Books with unique storylines, engaging illustrations, and age-appropriate themes often perform well. Next, hobbies and crafts. These books are focused on niche hobbies such as knitting, gardening, painting, or woodworking that attract dedicated audiences willing to purchase instructional guides. This niche benefits from an evergreen appeal as people constantly seek new hobbies and skills. Next, religious and spiritual books. These books explore faith, meditation, and spirituality. Particularly, these books offer unique insights or practical applications and continue to perform well. Many readers look for devotionals, prayer journals, and guides on religious practices. Next, coloring books. This niche remains highly profitable, especially when books target specific themes and demographics, such as relaxing coloring books for adults or animal-themed coloring books for children. Next, business and entrepreneurship. Aspiring entrepreneurs and professionals frequently seek books on financial management, online business strategies, leadership, and career development. Books that provide actionable advice and case studies tend to attract a strong readership. Next, cookbooks and diet guides. These food-related books, particularly those centered around trending diets such as keto, vegan, or intermittent fasting, are maintaining a steady demand. Specialty cookbooks catering to dietary restrictions or specific cultural cuisines often perform well. Next, art and design instruction. These books are based on teaching, drawing, painting, digital illustration, and other artistic skills which appeal to beginners and experienced artists alike. Instructional books on subjects like anatomy drawing are particularly popular. Leveraging Kindle Unlimited for additional earnings. Amazon's Kindle Unlimited (KU) program provides another revenue stream for self-published authors. Books enrolled are available to subscribers who can read them at no additional cost beyond their monthly membership. Authors earn royalties based on the number of pages read, making it a viable option for increasing passive income. Genres such as romance, thriller, and self-help tend to perform exceptionally well, as readers frequently consume multiple books within these categories. The role of quality and presentation in success. Publishing a book on KDP is not just about choosing the right niche, it also requires delivering high-quality content. Even in competitive categories, books that provide value to readers will naturally attract positive reviews and word-of-mouth recommendations. Authors should focus on well-researched content, engaging writing and professional editing to ensure their books stand out. A compelling book cover and proper formatting are essential elements in attracting buyers. A professionally designed cover significantly impacts a book's visibility, as it is the first thing potential buyers notice. Living Writer, a writing software, integrates with Canva, allowing authors to design high-quality book covers easily. Additionally, ensuring that the manuscript is correctly formatted for KDP prevents common issues that may lead to poor reader experiences. Building a sustainable KDP business. Success in Amazon KDP does not happen overnight. It requires consistent effort, ongoing research, and a willingness to refine one's approach based on market trends. Authors who take the time to understand their audience, produce high-quality books, and implement effective marketing strategies can build a sustainable publishing business. By continuously learning and adapting, self-published authors can achieve long-term success and create a reliable stream of passive income through Amazon KDP. Well, that sums it up, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content on KDP. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.